Oh my god. Oh no, 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 no. Hey guys, how's it going? It's Alice. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to In and Out. Can't I take your order? I am testing out a new hair gadget, which is why I'm wearing a non-black shirt, so that you guys can actually see what's happening with my hair without it just like blending into, you know, the black clothing. In case you're wondering, no, I do not work at In and Out. I have never worked at In and Out. I'm just a big fan. And so I bought a shirt. Yeah, they have merch. They have sick merch. You guys check this out. Oh, running into my background light. Woo! Wow. Really graceful. Like, comment, and subscribe if I should do an In and Out mukbang on my channel. Anyway, so we're going to be testing out this crazy hair contraption that I got in PR. This I got from Octoly. Talked about them before. You can sign up if you're an influencer. I think you need to have like a certain number of followers in order to get stuff, but you can pick out what you want. And I saw this and I'm like, bitch, yes, because it's a crazy hair gadget that I've never tried before, and I just love testing gadgets. So this is the 𝐼𝐻 Spin and Curl ceramic rotating curler, and I feel like I've seen something like this like in infomercials before. They also sent me their hairspray, which we'll try out that as well. But I'm really excited to see if this even works. It's supposed to suck up your hair and then twist it around and curl it. Easy to release your hair while protecting your skin from getting burned. Okay, cool. So that's the whole thing. Protects you from getting burned. Ceramic barrel creates the perfect curl for hair longer than 4 inches. Gotcha, gotcha. Left and right buttons. Oh, so you can control the direction of the curls. That's cool. And it has a LED temperature screen, and it goes up to 410 degrees Fahrenheit, 210 Celsius. Comment down below if you've ever tried anything like this, if you would try anything like this, or if you think it's gimmicky. Wow, really? Alright, nice and hefty. It's got a nice weight to it. It doesn't feel cheap. Doesn't feel like it's gonna fall apart. It's actually pretty heavy. Maybe a little too heavy. Like, it's gonna be annoying to hold this up for a really long time. We're plugged in, and so let's turn it on. I guess when you turn it on, it's locked, and then you push the power button again to unlock it. I'm gonna turn it up. I think I'm gonna turn it up to 400. It's making like a little bit of a noise, but yeah, I can feel that it's heating up. All right, it's at 400, and you've got 3 different settings. You can hold it. You can have it hold the curl for 15 seconds, 17 seconds, or 19 seconds. I think I'll leave it on the 15, and we'll see if my hair gets really hot and stuff. Hold the 𝐻𝐻 spin and curl vertically with the diagonal control side facing your head. Got it. So like this. Take a 3/4 inch to 1 inch section of hair and insert it into the opening of the curl chamber in a 90-degree angle. If larger sections are used, hair might get tangled. I'm scared. I watched a video on this, you guys, so don't worry. I'm not like being a total freaking idiot over here. That looks like 1 inch, right? So like that. So I want this one to go in, which would be this button. Whew! Okay, so it beeps when the hair is ready to come out. It curled it, y'all. Looks a little weird right there, but oh my god, it curled it, and my hair, I mean, it feels a little hot, but nothing too crazy. Let's try it again. Oh my god. The only thing that I don't understand is like, how long am I supposed to hold down the button for? Do you just push it? Or are you supposed to hold it down? You literally hold it down until you feel like your hair is all the way in. Okay, see, I feel like that they should have. How are you supposed to know? So this one, I think I want this one to go inwards too. Oh, ooh, ooh, it caught me. It caught me. I probably shouldn't have ripped it out like that. Oh my god. What happened? Oh, I was holding, I was doing it backwards. Like this. Huh. My hair feels like it's getting a teensy bit like knotted up there though. Maybe that piece was too big. Goes towards the head and then 90-degree angle. Oh no, 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 no. Fucking Christ. Reset. So, in order to get it to stop doing that, I just hit the power button. Am I grabbing too big of chunks of hair? That doesn't look or feel great. It feels like it definitely damaged that piece. What am I doing wrong? You really need to make sure that the hair is going into the little, like there's a V on top of this thing. Ooh! I'm gonna keep going. You know what though? This seems really stressful to do, like when you get towards the back of your head. Yeah, see that thing at the top there? The hair needs to go in that little center V. And it's kind of hard to see that because of the walls of this thing. The curls are looking really cute, but like this is hard. It just doesn't make any sense. I can't see if my hair's in it properly. The shape doesn't make sense either. Like the handle should be a different, like it's, see how awkward it is to hold this? Oh, and it's like pulling on my hairs like a little bit every single time. This is just weird. I have literally so much more hair to curl and I don't want. I'm gonna spritz this with some of the hairspray that they sent me. Ooh. That smells really nice. That's like a perfume. Let's see if it's a little bit easier if I do it on the other side, maybe. Maybe it'll be easier to hold. Don't even know what direction. See, like, the way you hold this is so stupid. Like this shouldn't be a thing. You want to do it like this, right? Can you do it like that? Like, but you have to do 90 degrees. It has to be like upright, almost like pointing, like the tip needs to be pointing away from you. So it's just not ergonomical at all. If you do it like this, it's gonna get tangled. Yeah, no. It's a pain in the ass. It's a pain in the ass. There are the curls. There's an idea of what you could get with this thing. Let's just pretend like the rest is done. There, boom. Does it make beautiful curls? Absolutely. Can you get the same curls using a wand or a curling iron? 100%. Let's go over some pros and cons with this. Cons, there's a learning curve. I feel like I was able to figure it out pretty well, but it's difficult to use. It's difficult to use. You can do one style with this. It's a 1 inch and you have to do 1 inch or smaller pieces of hair. What I love about a curling iron or a curling wand is that if I wanted to, if I'm in a hurry, bitch, I can grab this much hair, loop, like, and boom, and it curls it just the same. Maybe they're not going to be as tight, maybe they're not going to last as long, but I can still curl my hair and I can get it done in 10 minutes, 5 minutes. This would take me literally so long to do all of this hair. When you have long hair, I don't even know how would you do the back of your head? Oh, maybe if you had a mirror. The fact that you have to delicately feed your tiny strand of hair into this thing right here, if it's not going perpendicular, it's kind of hot in there, so I don't want to touch it, but your hair needs to go directly in between these lips, the inner lips. Kind of like a vagina. Your hair needs to go perfectly into that in order to be sucked up, or else it's going to get tangled and it doesn't feel good. I want to be able to like watch a YouTube video, listen to music, like text, like do other things when I'm curling my hair, and not be like, oh, let me just, you know, like. Pros: it makes a pretty curl. Another pro is I like that it has a couple different timer settings and it beeps for you, because I don't like to count. I don't like to set a timer when I'm curling my hair or whatever. It was really nice to just have it beep at me and tell me when I was done. Other than that, you guys, I'm gonna have to say, don't buy this. Don't even think about it. It's expensive. It's a huge waste of time. Unless you, for some reason, you are unable to use a curling iron or a curling wand, then maybe this would work out for you. But I can't imagine anybody who wouldn't be able to use either of those two options and would opt for this. This is more difficult, and you have the risk of it ripping your hair. Sometimes things are too good to be true, and this is one of them. It's a gimmicky hair technology, and I don't approve. Anyway, hopefully you found this helpful. If you were considering it, or just maybe entertaining, I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.